Yeah, so what do you reckon of the pedal after demoing?
Man, it's really cool. I don't know how I could use it. I've got no idea how it works, but it's basically like an octave fuzz synth kind of thing, but it's monophonic, so if you play a chord, then it kind of jumps around trying to grab the right note in this really cool way, and like on bends in particular, like it just kind of explodes on itself. It's really cool. Very, very cool for lead sounds and weird rhythm sounds and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't you say it had like a cool drive before, or did you not test that in the demo?
When you
backed
overdrive?
everything off, yeah.
Yeah. So when you turn all the octave section down, it turns into like a really nice like overdrive. It's like this real like present, punchy kind of mid-rangey drive that's really cool. And then as soon as you start adding in any of the octave stuff, then it just goes mental.